What's the meaning of bio-? Bio. Bio.
Bio. Bio. Bio- is a prefix that comes from the Greek word bios, meaning life. It is commonly used in English to denote relationship with living organisms or their processes. The prefix bio- is frequently encountered in words related to biology, medicine, agriculture, and ecology. For example, biotechnology refers to the application of technology to living organisms, while biosphere refers to the regions of the Earth's surface and atmosphere where living organisms exist. Biodegradable means capable of being broken down by natural biological processes, while biochemistry deals with the chemical processes that occur within living organisms. In summary, the prefix bio- serves as a shorthand way of indicating a connection with the living world.